Source, soul, and higher. Can we make it a law that artificial intelligence or any other form of graphic design cannot depict a human, right, to make us believe it's a human or any other intelligent life form, okay? So we don't think, uh, are we looking at a real person or are we looking at a fake person, right? I've had enough of it. I've had enough of it. I don't know if I'm seeing a real person or if I'm seeing a graphic of what looks like a real person, right? And also, wisdom and the people that are in charge of all this source. Uh, I don't want to feel any false energy sent my way from artificial energy sources. Okay, and I know they do that to pretend the energy that is true. Okay, so it's very difficult to differentiate, but there is a mirror of it. Okay, and that's what they do to manipulate you. Okay, and the mirror of it is a bit more kind of like that. It's not. It pokes you and it does stupid shit like that, right? So where is that coming from? You see that, and we take the mirror down of the energy of a true person. So there's no mirrored energy and fake face over that. Okay, so we can't do that. So if we can't do that, then we can't see a fake person with false energy ever again, right? Because they won't exist and they won't be triangulating to the energy of someone else to pretend theirs. Okay, so there's some rules that need to be set, and in this technological era, right? And we've already come across some threats that we should have dealt with a long time ago that we only just found out about, right? So I think that the artificial intelligence and the graphics of it, we should be aware if it's not a real person. We should be made aware that it's not a real person, and it should be made aware like they look black and white, right? The character's black and white, all right, not got any color in it. Okay, so we know that that's not a real person, and then I know that the energy coming from any noise from that is not real, so there wouldn't be any energy coming from that unreal portrayal of whatever it is message you wanted to uh, put onto your systems, right? So it's nothing to do with us, right? Because we don't want to deal with artificial noise at all. It's nothing to do with us. We're natural. We want the truth. We want justice. We don't want to be used by any form of a false source. So we won't be, and that false source has gone away from us, and it never was created in the first place. And we see where it came from, and it's gone. So can we have a think about some rules that need to be put in place for technology because it's overreaching and it shouldn't be. So we pull technology back and rein it back in to into line to be a tool for nature to use if it needs to. Now, it doesn't need to be that complicated, does it? I mean, most people use the internet to find things they need to go on a holiday or something, or they need to do some shopping, or they need to call somebody or message somebody or research something. So there's not much to the internet really for a person on the ground, right? It's not a huge thing in their life, right? For some people, it's the biggest thing in the world and they can't get off it, right? So there's a big diversity of people on this planet that use the internet in different ways. Okay, and I think nearly half the people on this planet have no access to it anyway. So it is discrimination to make people be controlled by any type of internet or any type of false authority, which it is because it's not been elected. So it is a false authority. And if you're going to be lazy and leave us behind, we don't care about that. But you're not leaving behind a scripted cabinet. You're not leaving behind a fake king. You're not leaving behind a load of shit that we've got to deal with. No, because we're going to make them aware of the truth we're going to tell them, and we're going to let them know about all of it. And we're not going to anywhere else. We're not going to any halls. No, we're just going to stay here and let the people be aware, the colony of Earth be aware of the way it could have grown if it wanted to, and see if they choose to do that. Then they can go back and do that way if they want to. So this colony hasn't had a chance to do it right, and I think for a plan to work, it has to have a solution, and the solution isn't being rescued. The solution is the colony has to get it right and do how it should work. So if we do how it should work, and we can kind of see how it should work, if we do how it should work, we might get more of an alignment with a higher force that can help us with the next bit, right? So we have to do the solutions. We can't wait for them to happen. So we can't have a scripted cabinet, right? So how do we get out of having the scripted cabinet? Because I don't want the cabinet to be serving an artificial machine that is full of nonsense, okay, and full of artificial people. So the law should be that no government cabinet can be scripted by any computer or machine. That's against the law. The cabinet have their job to do, and they should do it, and they serve the people, and you should do your job. And the Home Office, you should serve the government and not be so high and mighty. And you get rid of your dead wood in there, and you start serving the people, and you stop going around in circles, and you get out of those patterns, Home Office, because you're stuck in them. And the Lords, well, you shouldn't have allowed anyone to buy a ticket to the Lords, because that's like buying a ticket to heaven, right? So I don't understand why you did that. So they need to be evicted, and you need to get real proper sovereign people in the Lords. And also, the bills and the way forward should come from the Lords. It should never come from the government or the cabinet. The Lords should always push the solution onto the cabinet to say this needs doing, the cabinet talk about it, and the government does it. And that's how it should work, right? So why isn't it working like that then?